Chattini.com.
Are you recording me? Where should I look? Where should I look? What is this place? Wait a second. Is this? Is this Chattini land? That's so cool! Oh, hey, cameraman, come here. How do I look in 3D, huh? Hey, you should take a look to, you should take a look to my Chattino. Look at him. Isn't it so pretty? So cute, right? And you also should take a look to my tail. Ooh, big cat means big tail. Huh? What do you think? How do I look? Oh, Chattino! Oh, what did you do? Oh, come here now. I'm gonna use my weapon. You come here. Now, how dare you? How dare you knock me off like this? You can talk? Oh, that's impressive. Well, I'm guessing you need me for something? What do you need? Mini games. Something you can only get here by cleaning mini games. Hey, I think I know what it is. Oh, I knew it is a jetpack. Oh, the Chattini want one so badly, right? Are you begging me? Well, you know, little one? No. I told you I'm not giving you the jetpack, so I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Ta-ta. Are you following me? Well, I guess it's a special day after all. You know what? I'll give it a shot. I'm gonna do my very best. Well, I should go then. Raora! Raora! Wow! I mean, I'm heading out. Raora! Raora! Please, Corona-senpai. Please. Daddy, please. Give me the ticket. Please. I need the ticket. Please.
What she lost.
Please, Corona-senpai. Please.
What the fuck?
I'm a big cat, so.
Yeah.
Perfect. What are you gonna do? No.
Позже.
I'm sorry, Chattini. I tried my best, but I only got 2. What now? The jetpack exploded. I'm sorry, Chattini. Actually, I have a present for all of you. Let me tell you. Thanks, Chattini. Well then, before I reveal the best present ever, I've got an announcement to make. Ta-da! Raora pencil case and keychain. Don't miss it out, okay?
What is that, bro?